Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pho at home with ramen noodles using an easy method. Start by preparing your flavorful broth base. Begin with about 6 cups of quality beef or chicken broth. Char 1 medium onion and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Then add them to the broth with 2 star anise pods, 1 cinnamon stick, and 4 whole cloves. Simmer this aromatic mixture for at least 30 minutes to develop a rich, fragrant foundation for your pho. Next, let's get your noodles and protein ready. For this easy pho, we'll use instant ramen noodles. Just cook them according to package directions, but discard the seasoning packet. For protein, thinly slice about 8 ounces of raw beef sirloin or cooked chicken breast. Cutting against the grain ensures a tender bite. Have your fresh garnishes like bean sprouts and cilantro washed and ready to go. Now for the exciting part, assembling your delicious pho bowl. First, place your cooked ramen noodles into a large, deep-serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange the thinly sliced raw beef or cooked chicken over the noodles. Then, carefully ladle about 2 cups of the piping hot, aromatic broth over the protein and noodles. The heat from the broth will perfectly cook the raw beef to a tender, medium rare. To finish, garnish your pho generously with fresh cilantro, Thai basil, and crisp bean sprouts. A squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a bright, zesty finish. For those who love extra flavor, offer sriracha and hoisin sauce on the side. Your easy homemade pho, made with ramen noodles, is now ready to be savored. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.